Hey, it's Anton with the Foundation 101 course, and in this lesson I want to talk about making your own mock-ups. So if you have your own physical or digital product, you're either trying to sell or you're giving away as a bonus, it's always good to have a nice professional mock-up. It helps the perceived value, and then it comes off more professional as well. So here's a couple examples of mock-ups I've used in the past. This first one is the actual Foundation 101 course. In the next one, I'm showcasing a few of the funnels I've built in the past and design, and it kind of just shows some of my work, and it's packaged up well, so it'll be visually appealing. So the next one is a free PDF I give out called the 6 Essential Elements of Internet Marketing. I put a lot of valuable information into a PDF, and then I packaged it all up, and I was able to make a mock-up that looks like a physical product. And the last one is a few t-shirt designs I did in the past. I was able to take these designs and display them on real people in my mock-ups. Now I'm going to show you a few resources that makes this super easy to generate your mock-ups. And I'm going to have a link for all of these in the description of this video. If you're inside my course, there's going to be a button right below this video for each one. So the first one is Smart Mockups. You just go to the website. You can start a free account or a paid account. I suggest you just start a free one at first and get inside. And they also have a paid version that unlocks premium designs. So as you see to the left here, you have the option to do smartphone, laptop mockups, tablet, smartwatches, which is cool. You can do TV screens or even like billboard type screens. Wow, there's a Tesla one. That's awesome. You can do multiple devices if you want to display your content in different forms. E-learning bundles. Screen layers, so you have little cool layouts for screen layers. Accessories, and that's like, yeah, I see there's iPhone cases and a few other things there. Now the list goes on and on. They got branding, business cards, greeting cards, magazine and books, brochures and sheets, frames and posters, outdoor vehicles, other packaging as far as like cosmetics, food and beverage, supplements. Say you're releasing a new supplement. You can actually put your design on the bottle. Bags and boxes, t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, tanks, sports clothing, toddlers. Interesting. Okay, like onesies, accessories. You got face masks, mugs, pillows, other, and then social media. So say you want to show your design on, like, that looks like it's on a social media post. You can do that as well. Got Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and let's see what's in other. And I think that's that's YouTube, which is really cool. So as you can see, you have one here that is unlocked. I can use that freely right now. But then there's a few that are premium that I have to unlock with a premium membership. And if you're going to be doing a lot of this, it's definitely worth purchasing the premium membership. So I'm going to do one with screen layers. Let's just take this double layer here. Let's go here and get a couple website screenshots there. All right, align perfect. So one thing to note here is they do have the actual recommended dimensions. You can actually go to Canva, like I mentioned in the video before. You can go to Canva, enter in specific dimensions, and then you can actually create it in that exact size. All right, now let's do the other one. We'll do the other one, upload image. And we'll grab this website here. All right, that works good. Then I just click download, and we'll do medium just for this sake of this example. And then just like that, I've got my mock-up. So it's really easy to do. You just basically plug in your images, click download, and you're done. Now the next one's called Placeit, and it's a paid service. It's a paid monthly subscription service. But there is a ton of different mockups you can do on this program. As you can see up top, it says free mock-up hip hop t-shirt summer collection, apparel, videos, so you can actually make video mock-ups, hoodies, tank tops, mugs, tote bags, hats, packaging, garment only, sublimated, apparel, iPhones, MacBooks, iPads, iMacs, home decor, beanies, books, sweatshirts, polo shirts, long sleeve tees, onesies, activewear, heather, travel mug, stationery, phone cases, phone grips, Facebook ads, responsive devices, app store screenshots, app videos, Android devices, business cards, banners, transparent, and free image croppers. So there's a ton of cool things you can do on this website. I am subscribed to this service, and I haven't used all of it yet. I've mainly been using it for t-shirt mock-ups and t-shirt videos, and I'm just going to show you real quick how easy that is. So I just go to t-shirts. All right, and then they have different types of models. So over here you can like narrow down the type of model you want or the type of environment that model's in. I'm not going to dig too deep into that. You'd have to like go and play with that. So say I want to use this model here. All right, then you choose your shirt color. So if I want to do, let's say I want to do a blue shirt or a red shirt. But in this example, I'm just going to do a white shirt. I'm going to put my logo on there. And then you go over here to the left and upload an image. I'm just going to do my quick flow marketing. You position it where you want it. I'm going to do it nice and big there. And give it a few seconds. And boom, there it is. And it displays on the model naturally. It looks like it's a real shirt. You even have some of them that people are positioned like to the side or might have wrinkles, and actually wrinkles the actual logo like it's really on the shirt. It's very accurate the way they do it. So it's a really cool tool. And then when I'm ready, I just go click download, and it downloads right away. And just like that, you're done. So now I'm going to try it with a book. And we'll select this one. It's really cool. It's on the desk with some espresso. And upload my image. Let's do the 6 elements. Let's see. You want to adjust it to where it fits. There we go. That looks good. Give it a couple seconds and boom. I'd probably go back in and readjust that. So say you do want to readjust it, doesn't look right on the photo. You can just hit click this little crop button and it'll go right back into the crop. And then I can just move that to the left a little bit, see how that looks. All right, that looks a little more natural there. So, and just like that, it's that easy. So if you want to design your own book cover, flyers, business cards, labels, anything, social media posts, there's a ton of resources in here to where you can do that. You can design logos here. And here's a quick tool to make videos for social media, intros, product demos, all that good stuff. So as you can see, Placeit, it is a monthly service, but it is a lot of things you can do in here. Definitely can create some serious mock-ups, videos, photos to help with your branding. Now the last one is my favorite. It's called videos. You have an option. I actually have a special link so you can get the same deal I got. It's a one-time fee and it unlocks pretty much all of these different animations you can do for your logos, your intros, your transitions in your videos. As you can see in my videos, I use them like this. And just like the other programs, super easy to make. You just go in and fill in your images, your text, what you wanted to say, and then basically click generate. It takes a little longer for this one to generate because it's actually making a whole video for you, but it's so worth it in the end. So when you get an account, you just basically go to category. Say I want to animate my logo. So my options pop up here, and The cool thing is I can actually hover over each one and it gives me an example of how it's going to look. Like this one here, that's cool. That's just a little logo pop up there. So these are really professional, really cool looking. Some of them have some great effects. Now I'm going to have another video for you, basically just talking about this program here. So be looking out for that. I'm going to take you deep into it and show you all the cool things you can do. But for now, I'm just going to give you a quick example. So say I want to do this logo drop here. I just click customize. Then it brings up a larger example and you can click the sound to hear it. Gosh, that's loud. I like that. So then I click customize this video. Then here I click browse images. We'll do this logo here. All right. Then you click colors. I'll keep the orange for the fire and particles. That looks pretty cool. And then you just click create. And then right here they generate a preview. So you can click different parts of the preview. And if you like what you see and everything looks like it's positioned right, then you just click create your video. Then you give it some time to render. That's really cool. And now I've got a few more examples here. I'll show you some of the other ones I did. Here's one for Christmas. I just randomly did that one. I saw it the other day. I was like, wow, that might be cool. I know Christmas is pretty far away right now, but I just thought it looked cool. That's one if you want to do 4th of July. It's one I'm using for the foundation course. Now this is a cool one for a YouTube channel. And you can actually manipulate everything, that all the words in that whole video you can actually change to, you can even put a certain amount of likes or subscribers on there. That's really cool. So this is a really cool service. It's one of my favorites. So I have a link in the description below this video. If you're in my course, I have a button right below this video for you to get this. That'll actually take you to the deal that I actually got for this, and it automatically unlocks 205 templates for you to use right away, unlimited. So you can sit here and make these things all day long. Now my link's going to give you a special offer. I highly suggest you go with the videos commercial. That's the one I have. You can get unlimited renders. And honestly, if you want to do this for other businesses, you can actually charge to do each one of these logo animations or brand videos. They have live action videos. They have description videos, transitions. You can make all types of things for different businesses. You can have a side hustle right there making these for people. There's a lot you can do with this, and it's definitely worth it. If you want to make your own mock-up for free, you can just basically find your own border and then go to Canva and actually paste your screen on top of each device. So I'm going to show you an example of a phone, tablet, and computer screen. So basically, I loaded up Canva, and then I'm going to go to pixabay.com. This is where you can get royalty-free images. And then I'm going to say tablet. We'll look up a tablet. So you want to find one that doesn't have any type of interruptions in the screen. Here's a good one here. So I just go to free download, click download, and then basically what I'm going to do is just drag it, drop it right over here. Then there it is. Then there it is. And I don't have the dimensions right on this this picture. I wouldn't do these type of dimensions for this, but just for the example, I'm going to show you. So I got to find a screenshot here. Here's one. All right. So then I just size it. So it looks like I'm going to have to crop this one. So I'm going to put the corner, this corner where I want it. And then I crop it to the edge of the screen. And if you can't get something exactly where you want it, hold Control. Because, you know, it snaps it into recommended places for you automatically. And if you don't want it to snap, you want it like exactly where you want it, you just hold Control and then you can actually move it exactly where you want it. And there you have it. You got a mock-up. Now, definitely, if I were actually making this mock-up, I'd go into a lot more detail to make it look nicer. But just for the example purpose, I'm not going to do that right now. So here's another example. I'm going to do a phone and a tablet. So there's the phone. Here's a tablet. And say I can actually click on the phone, hit position, and I can bring it forward. You know, I won't do that right now, but once I'm done, once I have the pictures lined up, I'm just showing you how you can actually position it where you want it to be. So for now, I'm just going to move that out of the way. And I'm just going to take a website clip here. I'm going to size it. And the newer tablets have thinner edges, so I'm going to kind of overlap the edge a little bit. And then let's crop it. I'm going to crop it about right there. All right, hit enter, and there's the tablet mock-up. Now I'm going to go to the phone version. I think I have a phone version here. Yep. So I don't see a phone screenshot of that website, but I'm going to grab my course website for the phone. So basically when you're sizing it, you want to put it over where it's going, get one corner exactly where you need it to be. Then the next thing you want it to get the width right. So you drag it until the width is on point. And then you crop away the part that you do not need. So, all right, and then press enter. All right, looks good. So I'm going to highlight both of these, move them over, kind of overlap it a little bit. Now I see I need this image here needs to be positioned backwards. All right. And just like that, you manually created a mock-up. So there's a lot of different ways you can do this. So I hope you are able to learn something new today. If you need any help with any of this, feel free to join my Facebook group. I'll have a link in the description or below this video. And I will see you on the other side.